A burden, I call it service. Because for a very long time, the Youth League of the NRM has been very dormant. And the young people needed a vibrant leader or vibrant leadership that would step up and pick them up to greatness. So I don't call it a burden. It might seem as a burden moving 141 districts, but I call it service. And it comes from a patriotic sense, and believe me not, we will serve. The night. Because she kept, being very, very arrogant and aggressive for no good reason. Every demand she put on the table was offered. So every young leader wondered why we were going that way, yet there was an amicable way of handling matters. The SG came out and said, guys, the president has offered an additional allowance. And again, it's not about the money, it's about service to the country. So we as the youth leadership should step up on a few fronts. But I agree with them, these elections ought to happen. About that has been filed against me. Why? Because I've not been served. It's still hearsay, it's a rumor. So until I'm served, I'll have comments on the same. But for